Thank you.
Merci.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna navigate through all the spike strips. They are serious at this checkpoint.
Yes, TV crew, we are gonna leave Morocco. Yay! But not today. From Agadir to Dakhla, which is south part of Morocco, it is 1,300 kilometers. And Dakhla to Mauritania border is almost 400 kilometers. So we cannot do it one day. I think every day we might drive 400 to 500 kilometers. So you guys can guess, it would be kind of long travel to get to the border. Today we are gonna cross border, right, Mark?
It's not exactly a border. We're gonna be crossing into Western Sahara. So I think maybe not many people know about Western Sahara, so maybe we better give a little background information. Western Sahara has been a conflict zone for many years now, once a colony of Spain, but now it is on the UN list of non-self-governing territories. Currently about 20% is controlled by the Sahrawi Arab Democratic Republic, or SADR, while the remaining 80% of the territory is occupied by Morocco. The unofficial border between the two sides is lined with fences and landmines. While Morocco claims all of Western Sahara, until 2020, no other member state of the United Nations had ever officially recognized Morocco's sovereignty over Western Sahara. But in 2020, the United States became the first, in exchange for Moroccan normalization of relations with Israel. However, under international law, Morocco's presence in Western Sahara is strictly considered an illegal military occupation. Currently, there's no foreseeable resolution to the issue of Western Sahara. Korea, America.
Where do you go?
Dakhla and then Mauritania. Oh, pull over. Uh-oh. Getting trapped every time these days, huh?
To be great, we just got into Lyon, and when you enter, there's a police check, and when you leave the town, you have to police check again.
Korean. Yeah.
So there's a lot of police checkpoint, and as soon as we got out, there's a sand dune like right next to your road, and like wow, that's a lot of sand, and then we can see the how can I say the equipment?
I don't know, excavator. I'm not sure it's called.
Something like the heavy equipment was like keep pushing the sand outside of road. I'm sure like he's doing every day. It's quite interesting, and the road is really like this. It's cool though, right?
Yeah.
This is like you can see Morocco commonly. Ooh. And when you see this, you can feel like yes, I'm in Morocco,
Yeah.
right? And then it's a Morocco cushion. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Right now I can do the vlog because road condition is pretty good, so it's not that bumpy, but previously road was not easy.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's bumpy.
It is N1 road, which is the main highway going through to Africa. But man, that some part of was a cheese, right?
Yeah.
And the other thing is today, first time too, I see flamingo.
Oh, there's so many birds on this side, that side.
Oh, okay. Doesn't it look like a pinkish color?
Oh, they're flamingos.
맞지?
Yeah.
Oh, the first time to see it! And really nice to see it. Also on the road you can see the camels too. And funny thing is like other countries and in Korea too, you see some animals, but like they usually put the deer sign or cow sign, but here there's a lot of camel signs. So when you see it, you gotta be careful. Don't hit camel, right?
If you hit a camel, game over.
Yeah, right. It's end of trip.
Checking us. Stop. Yeah, it's another checkpoint. Wow, that is some serious checkpoints here.
Oh, again?
Ooh, they have spike
we just arrived in the campsite. Yeah, they say it's a kind of abandoned campsite. Yes, it looks like abandoned campsite. But luckily we have a neighbor. It's over there. It's a really cool looking van. They're from Austria, so it's cool. Tomorrow will be another long day. We have to arrive in Dakhla, so it will take another 5 hours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5 hours. So
At least 5 hours.
yeah, are you ready for confront meeting with the sun again?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, Mark and we both are really exhausted. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow we can have a little bit of more energy. Good morning, TV crew. We had a good sleep and then I have better energy than yesterday, and Mark is too. So today we are gonna go to campsite number 2. So TV crew, the reason why we are heading to Dakhla kind of quick as possible is like we want to spend the Christmas with our friends. They're in Dakhla. They just got off from the Senegal, I think 1 month ago, possible. So yeah, like yes, why not? You know, like spending Christmas with friends would be really awesome. So we're gonna stay there, right? Yeah. So they're waiting for us, and I miss them too. And then they're good. Oh, he's letting us through. Thank you. Yay!
Hey.
So happy when they just wave. Oh, there you go. Ooh, oh, that was fast. 마크의 위를 보십시오, 여러분. 지금 바람도 너무 많이 불고 해가지고 핸들을 바로 맞지 직선으로 못 하고 있어. 하지만 도로는 이렇게 일직선인데 마크는 계속 왼쪽으로 가고 있습니다. This is a way to go to Dakhla. Is really like interesting, you know.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah, road, right? So weird. Behind the mark, you can see where I'm pointing it. There is ocean.
Yeah, it's flat. all
But
the way to
yeah,
the sea.
in the middle is a road. This is so cool.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Thank you.
보이나 yellow? Oh yeah, I can see.
Yeah. 야, 차 엄청 많다 여기.
LB가
Your destination is on the left.
빵빵 한번 해봐라. 안녕하세요. 오랜만이에요. 어떡해. 머리 왜 이렇게 갑자기 많이 기른 거 같지, 두 분 다? 아, 진짜 너무 반가워. 어떡해. 대대요. 안녕, 대대요. 세네갈 완전 좋았다면서요?
세네갈 좋았죠.
Lucy?
Huh?
What kind of trouble are you making today?
Just your chair bothers me.
Kind of shaky.
현이한테 시키면 한 1년 후에 할 것 같아가지고 에어필터도 3년 걸렸잖아. 그냥 내가 하는 게 빠르니까.
That's 3년, maybe 2년.
아유, 뭐라고 너.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Can you push the chair back?
Back? This way?
No, just I push whole thing back, just underneath of the chair. Alright.
See, when you tell me to get a job done, I get it done right away, right?
근데 it took so long until I just put my hands. I need to make my hand dirty.
Anyway, she's pretty solid now.
남자는 시키면 되는 게 없다. 내 머리 꼬라지 마라. 진짜.